Embroider Buddy has this great Highland Cow that we can embroider on, and then there's a little mini plush one that's also available. When we embroider on Embroider Buddy's items, they have such a great space for us to monogram on. The space that I have to here, right here to monogram, is 7.5 inches this way and 6 inches this way. So we have a huge space to work with, which makes it so nice for us. In addition to that, they make it so easy because it goes completely flat. All we're going to do is we're going to unzip the back. We can take this part out so that it will lay nice and flat. We can even take the head out so that we can lay it nice and flat and get it hooped to go on the machine. So it's laying flat on the table, and I'm using my 15 centimeter. And when we talk about stabilizer, you use stabilizer to stabilize a thinner type fabric. Well, this is such a great quality fabric. You really only need one piece of cutaway. So that's what I have, just one piece of cutaway. The needle that I'm using is a 7511 ballpoint needle. So let's go ahead and get the Highland Cow on the machine. Putting him on the machine and press and go. How appropriate that we're putting such a unique name like Ridge on the limited edition Highland Cow. So if you would like to become a retailer for Embroider Buddy for all of their great products, including the Highland Cow, please go to the link below and fill out the application. The color that we used here today was 1773 by Madeira. I think it's the perfect match for the Highland Cow. And Ridge, literally the coolest kid I've ever met. When he gets this, he's gonna go crazy.